discussed what the crude is going to do. I said somewhere around 10:30 or 11:30. I can't exactly remember that. I said if a break below this 6:30 low, that's somewhere around 1526. Maybe around this candle, I think. Okay, around 12. And I said keep this candle as a reference, and high is somewhere around 1528. You can short somewhere around 1585. I said with somewhere around 1485. I said to enter for short position. Validity I just given somewhere around 1:30 to 2. Okay, just look at the time there. It's 1:30. Order has been triggered, and I asked you to keep stop loss somewhere around high of this red candle, somewhere around 1530. That is 50 cents away. Just look at what it had done. It had broken this red candle low, and it had retested there, and then just see the fall what had happened. If you trail properly, then you would have got a massive points over there. Okay, what is my suggestion now? How crude had behaved now? As you can see, the crude still trying to do the same thing, that it's sell on rise. It's keep on bouncing off from the lower levels and just getting rejected, and just keeping going lower and lower. So now what is the level you should be looking for? Sorry about that. As you can see, the base has been formed for temporarily around $10.85, and it's trying to bounce off. So you, as a reference, you can take this red candle high. The red candle high is somewhere around 1180. So around $12 you can short, but a close above this dollar and break of the close candle will trigger the buy position, so you should be very careful about that. And what is the green zone which I have marked? It's nothing but the previous zones which the rally had happened, so you should be watching about that. I'm sure that it will break that temporary zone. My trend seems to be sell on rise, but if at all a sudden tweet or a sudden news from the OPEC comes, then it will be a good position to go by with confirmation. Where you should go for a buy, a break above $12 rally, a close above $12, and after a close, the next candle should break the high of the previous close candle. For example, uh, I will say in a sell trend. See, this is the candle which closed and broke below the 12 candle rally, and you should place your order below the low of this broken close candle, so that you can get confirmation. Many a times like this, I said around the $16 level close. Yeah, this is the one. I said on this day, somewhere around 24th April, a close below $16 rally will take you to further down. The $16 candle has been broken by 12 candle, but it closed below that. But see, the next candle, it bounced right off. That is what I'm trying to say. Maybe a confirmation, double confirmation, in the sense close, break and close was this candle, and even break the low of this break the low of this candle at 14. That is again a second double confirmation for us to go into sell side. You can see this candle broke 16 14 okay, 24 April 2020 14. That is around 2 o'clock. It broke the $16 range which I mentioned. After breaking and closing at 2:30, you should have punched in the sell order below the low of this 14 candle. That is a double confirmation of, if the low of this candle gets broken, then rally will get started. If you want double confirmation, you can go for it, but I don't go for double confirmation. A single confirmation is enough for me. So you trade based on what your risk capacity is. I usually place my orders above and below this, and I will wait for a candle to close, and I will trail my profits either in loss or or issue it TSL. That's how I used to trade. Why? Because what is the reason for that? As you can see in this candle, it broke the $16 rally. After breaking it off, see the rally from this candle. You might have missed this because if you can play somewhere around here, you have to play stop loss, which is quite big. So I usually enter here, wait for a candle to close, and then I will decide what to do. So you should also check for positive and negatives. You should also check pros and cons for even this type of rally. I have explained you two scenario. One scenario is double confirmation scenario. Here it is a place which has happened, and this is the place where it won't give chance for a double confirmation and all. It will initiate a rally and it just will go off. If you're lucky enough, it will retest, or else it will just fall off, fall off, fall off, fall off, or it will keep on racing, racing, racing. That's it. In this situation, see, I explained to you clearly that around 23rd of April, if 1620 breaks and sustains, it will go higher. In this candle, I have placed my order at somewhere around 16 25 or 30, I think. The order has been triggered, and see the rally it had gave 2 points rally it had given. See there, around 18 baller. If I waited for a double confirmation, if I waited for what to say, if I waited for double confirmation, or if I waited for retest, nothing would have happened over there. uh, Double confirmation might have happened, but we have to sacrifice some points over there. And if I waited for retest, then I would be still waiting for that. So every setup has some positive and negatives, so you should look out which suits you better. So what is the present situation we should be focusing on? Just focus on $12 candle, $12 level, because that is where yesterday slight pullback has happened. See, this is the region I was mentioning. See the $12 region. From this region it is soared till somewhere around 14, I think. Yeah, it went on to 14. So you should be careful around this region, because it will act as a resistance for quite some time. And if it broken with good volume, then you can expect a rally towards upside. I don't know how long the rally will sustain, but the trend seems to be sell on rise. Focus on that.